Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create smart rich filters here in Jira. So first of all, you're going to go to Jira in your preferred web browser and you're going to log in into your account. Once you're here at the home page, you're going to navigate over here at the left sidebar and you're going to click on More. From here, you want to click on Apps. And over at this page, this is where you can download applications that you can utilize as an extension here in Jira. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the search bar over here and we're going to search for Rich Filter. Then you want to click on Rich Filters for Jira Dashboard over here. Then you're going to click on Try It Free over here at the right side. And once you've clicked on that, it will redirect you to this page where you're going to select a site or a space where you want to download this application. And once you've selected a site, you're going to click on Reviewing over here at the bottom. Then you're going to click on Start Free Trial or Install over here at the bottom again. And after that, you just want to wait for it to finish downloading. So once it's downloading, you will be able to see Rich Filters over here at the left sidebar among your apps. So you're going to click on Rich Filters over here at the left sidebar. So once that you're here in the interface, you want to click on Create Rich Filter over here at the right side. Then you're going to create a name for your filter. Then we're going to select a existing Jira filter. Then you're going to click on Create. Now with your existing filter, you want to click on Smart Filters over here at the top. Then you want to click on Create Smart Filter. Then you're going to create another name. Then click on Create. And after that, you're going to click on Create Smart Clause. Then you're going to create a name for this specific clause. Then you can also color code this by clicking on the square at the side. Then you can choose a color that you want to use for this clause. Then over here at JQL, which is Jira Query Language, we're going to select the type of this JQL. Then you're going to click on Create. And that's it. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.